Uh, Hello, very good morning to you. And my name is Vakarius, and I have done my graduation in mechanical engineering. And I have more than 5 years of experience in data analyst profile, where I have managed lots of data for different clients during my work experience. And I have handled from simple data to a complex data. Also, I have collected various kinds of data through the websites for my organizations to support the work. Okay, and today I'm going to share with you one of my project that I have done personally before 2 to 3 years ago. Okay, and in this project I will be showing with you the problem statement, and then how we approach the project, and what we get insights from that project as well. Okay, so let's start with that project. Okay, so here is my GitHub profile. As you can see that SME performance analysis. Okay, so here what so the problem statement is that in my organization um, they send me Excel file every week. Okay, where the performance of each employee is present, like attendance, shift hour, number of question answered, average handling time for each question, and the answer time, and the other details of each employees are given. Also, the salary of for the SME was based on the number of working hours. Okay, it means that the total number of the total answer time, the salary of the SMEs was present, as it was a contractual kind of job. So now I was working in this, and I find that there was some kinds of glitch in the system, like my total answering time when I log into the portal, and when I match with the Excel file, then I find that something is different. Okay, and something is not something is not correct in our data. Okay, so based on that, I think that our that whatever the our number of hour we get at the end of the month is not correct. Okay, so I try to find out that how many such SMEs who actually got the profit. Okay, from this kinds of system glitch. Okay, and how many of the SMEs that due to the system glitch they were in the loss, and how much amount of they actually in the loss. Okay, due to the data, like data error in the Excel file. So I just try to figure it out, and I have performed some kinds of analysis. Okay, now here is you can say that based on okay, so let me share with you my Power BI project that I have made. Okay, so now here we have seen this. So this is the SME performance analysis. As you can see that average percentage productivity was 66%. That was fine. Average handling time is 60 minutes. It means that number of question answered in is average is 60. And here is total average percentage of taken, as it was for the this is not relevant for me. So average of the answers. Okay, now what I am actually in this data is that what actually I get the insight is that SME's profit and loss. So the profit was the overall profit for the SMEs was 26,506 for the 1 week. Okay, but the loss was for overall count. If we count the loss for every SMEs, then it was 1,23,000, and the count of profit was 25 SMEs was in the profit, and 139 SMEs was in the loss. Okay, and in which my name is Muhammad Wakar, and I get the sum of profit 2070 in that particular week for the week of the data. Okay, actually the data is present for only 1 week. So if we combine all of the data, then we can get an amazing we can get an amazing kinds of analysis. Okay, for every month. So this is this. Okay, top five profitable SMEs: Madhu, Mahima Dua, Muhammad Bakar, and Satish Kumar, and Vijay Pratap. Okay, so these were the uh, okay, so these were top profitable SMEs, and top five SMEs loss. So these were the SMEs loss, and the maximum SMEs loss was 3,494. So these are the list of this. Okay, now I have also shared the visualization based on some kinds of subject as well. So this was the advanced math, and this was economy. Okay, so these kinds of some of the loss by subject. So in which subject the SMEs are getting lost. So these kinds of data. Also we can in this visualization we can select uh, like each for particular student for particular SMEs. Okay, so we can then this is the mechanical engineering subject. Okay, so these kinds of data we can get from here. Okay. Now we have like by subject, if we go, let's suppose that I am mechanical engineering, so I am selecting from here mechanical engineering part. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so in the mechanical engineering the loss was, so these are the SMEs that were in the loss, and these are the SMEs that were in the in the profit. Fine. Now I am going to show you with the chart analysis for SMEs. Okay, so how the SMEs productivity chart. Okay, so the productivity chart for average of productivity charge and average handling time by subject. Okay, so these are the by subject, on the basis of subject, what is the productivity and what is the average handling time. It was just for the personal analysis. Okay, and similarly for the average decline rate, so where I have shown this chart. Okay, and now we have a pie chart as well. So average CFS by, so CFS was, I think something it was related to the quality, I think whatever it is, I don't know actually. So these were the average CSF, and these were the internal quality check. I think this was the donut chart I have presented this, and similarly for average profit by CFS. So on the basis of the CFS, this was the average profit. Okay, so these are the chart for, and chart for profit loss. Now let's and we get to understand average answer time in hour and average of calculated answer time by subject. So these are the basic chart of the on the basis of the subject, average profit and average loss. So this is chart for the average profit. Biology was the greatest profit, and there is a loss for the average loss. Okay, so these are the basic chart, and then profit of the SMEs by TL on the basis of TL, team leader. So who was in the profit and who was in the loss. So these kinds of chart that I have presented in my for my organization. So I think I can get the better insights from this data. So I was having a less data, so I was not able to present all kinds of things. So these are the basic things that actually I have worked as an individual. But apart from that, I have worked a lot of kind of various kinds of data, where I have modeled different kinds of data and created a relationship between the tables, and then presented a beautiful insight for my organizations as well. Okay, so apart from that, I am very proficient in Power BI and SQL and Python programming language. So using Python programming language, I have also extracted the data from the various websites. Okay, and yeah, so that's all about myself. If you have any query or any question that you want to ask, you can message